Okay, the next cardiovascular machine we're going to be using is the rowing machine. This really is a whole body exercise. First thing to do is to sit down slightly towards the front of the seat, sticking your feet into the foot plates, which have been adjusted already for your shoe size, so the strap comes right across the midfoot. Then from here we want to tighten them up as tight as possible so your feet feel nice and secure. Grab the handles widely with an overhand grip, chest up nice and straight so your back is nice and straight also. Bringing the bar straight to your belly button towards your stomach region. Okay, we want to push using our legs, pull with our arms, and then reverse the motion. So what we want to do is a legs, arms, arms, legs. Legs, arms, arms, legs. Good, keep those elbows tucked in by your side. Chest up nice and tall. Pushing off with your legs and pulling with your arms. And then returning your arms and returning your legs. Excellent. Breathe out as you pull. How's this feeling for you? Is this an okay resistance? Good. Now we're going to return the bar where it should go. Unlatch our foot one by one. And that's it, the rowing machine. Good stuff.